By the end, you'll be able to create new boards or make changes to existing ones with ease. Let's dive into the process. Open your web browser. Type Pinterest.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Login button at the top right. Log into your Pinterest account with your email and password. Or you can click on the Continue with Facebook button. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. To create a new board, click the plus button, and then click on Board option from the menu list. Enter a name for your new board. Select the checkbox of Keep this board secret if you do not want to show the board in open public. Click on the Add button from your list or search a collaborators by their name or email. Click on the Create button to finalize your new board. Select some pins for your new board. Hover over the mouse cursor on an image and then click on the Save button. Click on the Done button. To edit an existing board, hover over the mouse cursor on the board you want to edit. Click on the pencil icon. Now you can add a board cover, change the name of your board, write a description, or add more collaborators. Once all edits are completed, then click on the Done button. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.